This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christy Baumgartner. Discover this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled on an oversized lot surrounded by beautiful trees that offer a peaceful, nature-filled setting. The split floor plan provides privacy, while the bonus room is perfect for a home office, playroom, or extra living space. Step outside to the extra-large lanai, ideal for morning coffee or evening gatherings overlooking the fenced backyard and garden. Whether you're relaxing or entertaining, this outdoor space makes the most of Florida living. Conveniently located near North Lake Regional Park, shopping, dining, and just minutes from Eustis, Tavares, and Mount Dora, this home blends tranquility with accessibility. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Baumgartner at 407-716-3321.